Okay, hello my audience. Today I'm going to be working on my photography art again, and I tried in this video to turn up the volume of the microphone to like really high. So I hope that it doesn't crack, and I hope that you are not smoking crack. And I'm going to be working on some of these older photos, and these were taken with my older camera. It was a super zoom camera, and my newer camera doesn't have so much zoom, and this is like the problem with like at least with Canon, cameras. Maybe I should change my brand, maybe I should get a what are those, Panasonic cameras or something like that, because it's very hard and it's very kind of not available to get a camera that is kind of like small size and at the same time have a lot of zoom in it, so I'm kind of stuck in that way. But you see how we are overlaying this nature, so we get this interesting effect. Nature is very interconnected, so in my art I try to kind of show that, even though of course I don't understand it probably so well as some other human beings on planet Earth might understand it. But nature is all interconnected, and I try to show that in my art. And then we have an abstract photograph over here. I'm thinking that I'm gonna kind of place it on the background like this. These older photos, I was looking at them and I was actually listening to music when I was taking these photos. I was walking and taking these photos, and it kind of shows they have some rhythms in them and that kind of stuff in the movements of the camera. Maybe I'm gonna use it like that as a background layer. It's kind of interesting trying to make something good out of something bad. Yeah. Of course, if you have the starting points like better, even this is kind of interesting on its own, but it's not art. So I have a couple of these photos from yesterday. I was taking photos inside, and these are also kind of cool. Maybe, hey, you can see my face over there, just faintly. Maybe it's a little bit more vibrant and like warm on the colors. Just like that. And then we have this photo. I'm kind of have a vision that I'm going to kind of flip around the colors in this one. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's pretty funny. Okay, like this. Then, well, I don't know. This photo might be just like crazy. Let's make it really like really weird. Let's make it really weird. Well, that's not very weird, maybe. It kind of has a hard time, like loading up those. I don't know why that is. Some orange and green. Okay. have kind of noticed it in my art making that when I don't have the great zoom capabilities in the camera, you know, my art kind of suffers or it goes into a different direction. So that would be like a great thing if somebody fucking invented a way to make a camera that is kind of lightweight and small and still have a great amount of zoom in it. But maybe that's too much to ask, but it's the fucking year 2023 or what is it like? Like I haven't like camera I believe that, you know, smartphones were actually like bad for the development of camera technology because, you know, or I don't know, it seems that all of that, you know, stuff that has happened, you know, with like smartphone cameras, you know, it hasn't like benefited, you know, like real cameras, you know. Smartphone cameras, they are not real cameras, you know. There's no like discussion about that. It was actually very interesting when it was like that. But I don't know, it's better, like the composition is better when it's like that. So let's go with that. Okay. I have another project coming on right now. It's the post-it note shrink, you know, post-it note shrink idea that I have been developing. I just invented that yesterday and I thought it was pretty great. I'm gonna continue on doing that and you can check out that video. I highly recommend it, you know, it's very interesting. Yeah, well, that's not bad either, but I think I have kind of seen this type of photos done like previously, but I'm gonna call that done because I don't wanna kind of, I think it's at that point that I shouldn't do anything more to it. It's one of those skills of the artist to kind of like say that now I won't touch that anymore. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Okay, let's just look at this. We started from here, and we went to here, to here, to here, and then we got the rhythm on the background, and this, and some. That's kind of a great picture on shown. Actually, it's kind of like, I think that's art. Yeah, that's art. Then we went to here, and we cropped it, you know, and there's one of those older pictures, so it has some resemblance to that. Yeah, I think that's pretty cool, you know. Yeah, I like it. Thanks for watching this video.